we as a young generation, of course, we believe in science. We believe in proof evidence. Scientists, they check, oh, we are here in solar system, we have one sun, and then where the solar system came from, they know that solar system came from Milky Way, right? Yeah, you see? This is Milky Way. Milky Way, we are here in the east corner solar system. All we know, we prove evidence. And then we ask them again, because we need to know where the Milky Way came from. Milky Way came from a lot of Milky Way in this universe. Many of galaxies, right? This is Milky Way galaxies. Another Andromeda galaxy, M90 galaxy. Because we are Hubble camera, we see our own eye in California, Hubble. And now what is the new camera is we call, what is the very new camera? The big cameras, James Webb. You know James Webb camera? You know James Webb cameras?
I just heard.
Brand new and biggest 20 times of Hubble. You know Hubble camera. But now it's new, we call it James Webb. Before, you see? Before here, the camera up above of the earth. Hubble camera for 40 years ago. They take picture universe 360 and everywhere. They know that is Milky Way have 200 or 300 million suns. Only one Milky Way. Yeah, because they saw it by their own eye. 200 or 300 million suns. Only Milky Way. Only Milky Way. Only this one. This five black hole, blah, 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 blah. And then, when the James Webb brand new up there, no more Hubble, big cameras named James Webb. Oh, not 200, it's 1,000, a million suns. Only Milky Way. Oh my God. You see how the scientists they change when the new technology come up. Even though there's proof evidence for 20 or 40 years, Hubble say, oh, 200 or 300 sun, 200 million sun. But now, no, more than that. And then what? They photograph, they look around the universe. Oh, infinities, uncountable. Trillions, million, trillion of suns in our universe. Million, trillion of galaxies in cosmos. You see? That's what they say. And then they need to know where all those billion, trillion of galaxies came from. They say, oh, from where? From what? Big Bang. Right? Big Bang. Yeah, from time zero. Boom. The universe starts from the time zero. We only learn that from scientists. That's proof evidence. And then where the Big Bang comes from? Liam, where's the Big Bang come from?
I don't know.
That's why they say, oh, God created the Big Bang. That's the way God comes from. Yeah. That's why new generation, they don't much believe in God. But for me, I say, okay, God is God, no problem. But I believe in Jesus. Yeah, He's alive. Jesus said, well, it's the way in God. The way we are here. That's why Buddha says, oh, please, you don't need to know everything on the universe. because the universe never ends, right? Just stop from too much under the world, you know. Just release it. That's what you see. Come back to your knowledge. Come back to the reality here. The most universe is right here. To be understanding yourself. That is the Buddha say. Understanding about what? The ultimate truth. Everything impermanent. Everything changeable. Cannot countable. Make peace and need in your life. Take your time to learn to yourself, to understanding yourself. Find the peace and love to yourself. Concentration to your mind. Finally, I find out my life need. I believe everyone, the ultimate goal. Your need is what? This is what we need. We need freedom. Freedom of life. And happiness. That's what we need. อิสรภาพและความสุขที่แท้ We need freedom of life and happiness and true happiness. Come on, man. Take just why I'm here. You see, I'm almost 60 years old. I just start to know why I'm here. You see, I'm here to be freedom and true happiness. You see, how we going to get there? How we going to get to the freedom of life? If it's been using money, because money is not the happiness. The happiness, true happiness is where? Where is true happiness?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I have that answer.
You have to understand, even though you cannot touch. The most true happiness is right here. Right here. Your mind, your understanding. You can live on earth with no money if you can understand it. You can live for all your life. You don't have to use the money. Because we suffer because we find the money. We're looking for the money. We're not looking for the true life. Life, we need only oxygen. We need water, food, organic, clothes, shelter, earth. Even though no money. Money is not in here. If we make it true, that's why my king Bhumipol, he asked us to make tree plantation, many forests. As we now Khok Nong Na, this is strategy to make all this be like a curriculum. Under Khok Nong Na is under new agriculture theory. 30% is water, 30% is rice field, and 30% is forest, and 10% is shelter. Yeah, this is what we're going to do. Divide the land as Khok Nong Na or new agriculture theory. That's what we divide the land. And from now, I'm going to show you the truth, how the Khok Nong Na can answer the SDG. You see? How the Khok Nong Na can answer, can get rid of poverty. How the Khok Nong Na or new agriculture from the King Ramanai can answer, get rid of hunger, get rid of poverty. You see? And make people healthy. Be healthy because we eat organic food, you see? That is why I have to concentration to keep educate the people by Kok Nong Na. Kok Nong Na is the under of the new agriculture theory. Okay, that's what we call Kok Nong Na. That's why you have to learn to understand the theory of Kok Nong Na. Kok Nong Na is the answer of SDG. See? It's going to be here. The strategy of Kok Nong Na is divide the land 30% water, 30% rice field, 30% plant the tree or forest, and 10% only. Like if we put like a top view, you know, Kok Nong Na has to be like water irrigation only 30% water, and rice field, see, only 30% rice field. Finally we here plant the tree, see, plant the tree. Plant the tree for tree plantation to get full benefit. That's why we have 30% as the water, see, 30% at rice field and 30% at tree. This is what we call like a divide the land 30%, 30 and 10. That is quite complicated now, but when you take time to watching and to learning and asking, you understanding. All right? Thank you very much for your watching the meaning of life from Agri-Nature Foundation. I hope you understanding more about why we have to teach and learn about the meaning of life first. The ultimate truth of life is we just need freedom and true happiness. True happiness is come from our mindset. If mindset right, we live life is very peacefully and very simple.